A weekend fisherman here.
Alright guys, yesterday I went to Bass Pro and picked up this Shimano Sienna 4000 reel right there. Really small reel. It's about the size of a 3000, but I noticed the 3000 is a little smaller, so I didn't pick it up from another fishing store in San Jose. Good thing I didn't, because it was too small, and then the 4000 was perfect for me. And pair it with my Daiwa Triforce Z 8-foot medium light rod. So, you know, it's my perch rod right here. Maybe, you know, it's a pretty good, nice, perfect size for the surf. But it's a nice reel to go with it. It's pretty light. I like it. The reel is not that light, but 11.3 ounce, not that bad. Some reels actually heavier than that, but there's some that's lighter. Of course, it's all about cost. So this thing only cost me $38, so at 11 ounce for 38 bucks, not too bad. I'm gonna try it out. Had a 10-pound mono line on here, and let's go fishing.
Alright, it's time to put this Shimano Sienna 4000 reel to the test. Time to do some fishing with it. Very comfortable in holding in the hand. Reel is good, light, even at 11.3 ounces. Overall, pretty good reel. Let's see what happens.
Fish on, baby. Yeah. Fish on. No skunk, no skunk. Right there, fish on, yeah. Finally! Fish on. Yeah. Small one though, I think. Maybe not. Oh yeah, fish on. Still on, baby. Come on. Small one. Good. Alright, number two. Number two. Number two on the Sienna.
Hey, no skunk today. I'm going home with two bar surf perch, about 8 or 9 inches. They will be used for crab bait. When I get home, I'm basically gonna cut them up and put them in the freezer. Save it for next crabbing session that I'll be doing soon, before the season ends on June 30th this year. Overall, I really like the Shimano Sienna 4000. Light reel, even at 11.3 ounces. Very comfortable holding in my hand. Retrieval is light. Overall, I'm actually pleased for its price too. So 38 bucks, can't beat that for a reel.